I am DCS Tom McCulloch. Many of you remember my predecessors, John Orr and Stuart Henderson. I am honoured to be following in their footsteps as SIO on the case as we approach the trial. A trial that I am aware you have waited a long, long time for. The Foreign Secretary has recently stated that there was no reasonable prospect of the accused being delivered for trial in Scotland. But he thinks there is a chance that they will be delivered for trial in a third country, as many families here have long proposed as the only solution. What we have arrived at is a plan that the trial will take place in a Scottish court in the Netherlands.
Sorry, why the Netherlands?
As the host nation of the International Court of Justice and the International Criminal Court, the Netherlands was suggested by Libya and others.
We're letting Libya pick the venue.
With just 2 men standing trial to represent a whole state.
Our goal was indictments against all involved. But what we know is different than what we can prove.
We've waited 11 years for a trial, and this is the best that we get.
The rule of law is all we have. What's the alternative? We resort to revenge and retaliation and more Lockerbies.
I agree. To have a trial date and a venue set is an achievement, and it is your achievement. The work of families in Britain and America has made Libya realize that there will be consequences for the mass murder of your loved ones, friends, and neighbours. The UN has implemented the fiercest sanctions possible. Your lobbying efforts has effectively ground the Libyan economy to a halt and forced Mr. Gaddafi to the table. The trial may be in the Netherlands, but it will still be under Scottish law. It will be a little part of Holland that is briefly Scotland.
There'll be a Scottish jury?
No, a panel of 3 judges. The Lord Advocate recognised that it's unreasonable to ask a Scottish jury to spend many months away from their families.
Yet you're asking us to.
My wife, Linda, died, never knowing the truth of what happened to her own son.
I am very sorry to hear that, truly.
It makes it even more important that the rest of us be there to participate.